Hello everyone, and yeah, this is the video to show you the custom made needle bolt kit. Yeah, it's a custom order from my kit group. Yeah, my permanent member that she request to make a needle bolt. But what I did is crochet a needle bolt with the, you can see the box, the tray to put the bolt inside. And now I show you, and the dye is actually a white, not dye, it's the yarn. Yeah, it's the yarn is the white color yarn, and I hand dye with the, you can see this color, very pale purple or lavender. Okay, and turn up pretty. You can see the different, you got the brighter color and the lighter. I like the color how it turned out, so I make this and I show you what inside this. I only make one yet because this is the customer made, and I show you. This is the spool that I print the fabric with the felt cover, and this yarn and this lace and this. So I put this also, and this is button. Okay, and I show you the box, and you can see many goodies, yummy crochet item here. I put it out and show you the box, the tray first. Okay, and is my handmade flower. Yeah, very cool here. Bottom, and inside I layer with the fabric with the cardstock, so the box is quite stiff. Okay, to hold the shape. Okay, and now I show you some of the item first. Okay, this one, and I crochet this. I match this one. I match with this color. Okay, I also crochet with this here, and also the small piece here. And take this one and this. If you layer with the flower like so, it's pretty, but I didn't do this because just leave it and see what you love to do. And I also crochet all these beautiful flowers, so you can put the I will also include the flower center, this one, this color, to match with. I will see which color is matching. Yeah, this quite matching. So I come back later, I can show you. Okay, I'm back, and I put 3 different color. This one, different color. Okay, so this is the sorry, is the crochet flower. Okay, all these I put inside first, and also include one of these kit. Is with the needle and the scissors. Is the tiny one, and also this. Put 2 tiny spoon. Yeah, and the pin in the white color. Okay, white color pin, and also, hey, naughty, no, oh, this baby, oh no, say hi, hi, okay, sit down, sit here, no, angry, no, cannot disturb, no. Luna is my new baby, yeah, and the purple one. She wanna come and disturb. Okay, this is naughty girl. This is naughty girl. No, no, and also with the no, stay. Okay, stay. Look at her face. No, okay, and also tiny. What is tiny? Do that flower embroidery. Good girl. Hey. No, no, no. What is tiny? No. Okay, no more buttons. Okay. Okay. Okay, nothing. Okay. All these embroidery, small to the flower, and the buttons. Okay. What are you doing? Naughty girl. Naughty girl. No! Okay, let me look. This is the one. She loves to stay with me. Yeah, go anyway. Yeah, go here. Just want to play. Nothing to for you. Can I give you one small flower? Okay, you play here. Okay, this is the flower. Now I'll show you the bulb. And I crochet the bulb here. So inside, I print out this, another spool, and I also print the needle bulb so you can use this in the bulb. So print out this, make love and make it work. And this one, and this one, make a small piece, see which one you prefer. And I use you can see I cut up like so. Okay. So many here, and this one is another big piece here. Okay, so print all these like yeah, make the measurement tape for hey, what are you doing? 4 different color. Nothing for you here. Nothing for you. Okay, all this. No, not disturb. Oh my gosh. Okay, I will punish. Okay, you will get punished. Come. You sit here. You sit this side. You sit this side. You sit this side. Right. Say no. Okay. sit down. No, cannot fight with me. Cannot fight me. Good, good. Oh no, oh no, no, no. Okay, okay. Okay. And oh, this is the book. So hand dye this, felt and cut this. I haven't so on it, see which how do you prefer to use this. And the pages I already stitched on the cover. I also print the fabric with the felt, and this one also, so you have many pages. This one, okay. So yeah, this is the custom order. And I will come back and show you some more others crochet kit to show you all. Okay, so yeah, just please stay tuned. I will come back and show you. You can see, let me do snippet, like do a snippet here and down here, everything. So yeah, please stay tuned. And yeah, anyway, I haven't shown for the this for my for the member that who requests for this kit, but hopefully she will like this. Okay, anyway, thanks again, and I will please stay tuned for another video, and say bye bye. Luna, 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 say bye. Okay, hi, say bye bye, bye bye. Hi, oh, 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 oh. Okay, bye.